Hell let loose black screen issue on PS5 and PC. So here is a quick fix for this problem. If you stuck on a black screen upon startup or launch the Hell let loose game, then this tutorial will guide you on how to fix this problem. Now, to fix this issue for black screen on the Hell let loose game, let's start for PC. We have PC and PS5 users. So on PC, just reinstall the game. A lot of people reported that they were able to fix this black screen issue by reinstalling the game. So just uninstall and fresh reinstall the game. If you have do so but you're still again receiving the same problem, then make sure your video card drivers are up to date. So whether you're using NVIDIA or AMD, just make sure your video card drivers are up to date. You can go to your official website. If you're using NVIDIA, just go to nvidia.com and download the latest drivers, or you can also go to AMD if you're using AMD drivers to update your graphics drivers. So also you can try to verify the integrity of files in Steam. So if you've installed this game on Steam, just go to Steam and open Steam. Now go to your Steam library here. Now you'll find here Hell let loose game. So just right click on your game and go to properties, and then go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Now this will try to check for any corrupted files and try to repair it. Wait for a few minutes and until the verification is over. After that, you can try to relaunch the game. Now, if you verify integrity of game files, then this will help you resolve this issue. Now, this is for PC users. Now, let's go for PS5 users and other consoles. If you're experiencing a black screen when launching Hell let loose game, try switching the game's installed location between your added storage and the console's internal storage. Note that this solution works only if you have additional storage connected to your console. Many players have reported that this simple trick resolved the issue for them, so it's worth giving a try. So for PS5 users and other consoles, if you're experiencing a black screen when launching Hell let loose game, try switching the game's installed location between your added storage and the console's internal storage. Note that this solution works only if you have additional storage connected to your console. Many players have reported that this simple trick resolved the issue for them, so it's worth giving it a try. So here's how to do it. So steps to transfer your game on PS5. Press the PS button on your controller, then press options on the game. Now press the PS button on the controller, then press options on the game icon in the main menu and select close game. Press options on the game icon on the main menu, then go to move games and apps. Now Hell let loose should have a check mark next to the game. On the bottom right, go to move. This could take several minutes to finish. Now launch the game. The issue should be resolved and now your game is installed on your internal SSD. Now optional, if you want to move back to your external SSD, if you prefer the game to be installed on your external added SSD, close the game and repeat the steps to move it, but this time transfer it to console's storage back to external. Now this time you transfer it from console storage back to external SSD storage. This transfer is usually quicker. Now this will be able to help you transfer your game or move it to between your storages. Now this will help you resolve this issue. If you're still experiencing the same problem, just try to reinstall the game.